Stay with me, and I'll show you how to fall in love with your life again. No drastic change needed. Welcome to Bloom, a place to slow down, reconnect, and rediscover beauty in the everyday. Somewhere along the way, we were taught that beauty lives in the big things, that happiness is on the other side of achievement. But the truth is, most of our life happens in the in-between, and when we rush through it, we miss the quiet magic of being alive. Romanticizing your life isn't about pretending everything's perfect. It's about choosing to see what's already here, with intention. It means lighting a candle before dinner, even if it's just leftovers, pouring your coffee into your favorite mug instead of a paper cup, playing your favorite music while you fold laundry, slowing down enough to notice how your pet stretches in the sun, how the air smells before it rains. It's not about aesthetics, it's about presence, about reminding yourself, this moment matters too.